All right, so here's a quick glimpse at the current profit planner from the folks over at NAMS, the Novice to Advanced Marketing System. This is, I think, the textbook from the profit planner called Create Courses for Profit. Let me actually pull up, here we go. So this is what's in the kit, all of these different pieces. So there's a textbook, there's a workbook, there's a list of tools to use, there's this idea generator, a checklist, there's a calendar, an infographic that kind of helps you with the general, kind of the main ideas that you can, print out and put up on your wall, on your bulletin board. But the idea here is that it's really focused on actionable training. So let me scroll down here. So you can see the table of contents. There's 4 different lessons. I mean, you could actually take this and think about it as a course. In fact, I imagine that if you wanted, you could turn this into a course on course creation, right? So the secret to course success, and then why picking the perfect name is going to make or break your course, right? Then best way to design fun and valuable lessons. And then finally, create a course that will build your business so that there's actually an end goal. And so then these are the subsections and subcategories of all this. I'll scroll down really quickly just so you kind of see how extensive the training is. I don't want to really, share the details of the training too much simply because this is a paid product. So there we go. Now, I wanted to show you what this actually is part of because I do get a lot of questions about the profit planners. The profit planners are a collection of a different subject each and every month, and here's your choice: is that each month you are able to decide on purchasing the latest one, or you have the ability to just join the entire club of profit planners and get everything that's been created in the past and in the future, which is really the way I would recommend going. But here is, let's pull this over here, the sales page for this current one. And it's available through October 25th, and then this page is going to come down, and whatever the next released profit planner is, it will then be for sale. As you can see, it's typically a low price. I think it may always be $12.99. I can't quite remember. And then you have, after you go and purchase this, you're actually offered the chance to buy all of the profit planners. And I think it's a sweet, sweet deal, like $100 or $120 or something like that, to get access to all of these. I highly recommend that you make the investment. This stuff is invaluable. You can learn everything from joint venture strategy to how to run challenges to how to use your blog to make money. And this stuff is applicable to any type of business that has some form of online component. So whether you're, a retail business, whether you're in the coaching or consulting field, whether you are, as my clients are, a financial advisor, there's a lot of applicable, I can't speak today, stuff that you're going to find in here. Now, can you use 100% of all of this for every type of business? Probably not. But it's well worth the investment, and the folks over at NAMS really do deliver exceptionally good content. So I highly recommend that you grab the program here, which is all about creating courses for profit. And then when you are offered the opportunity to upgrade to the main program, take advantage of that as well. Like I said, there's a ton of stuff in here. It's really, really good quality. Let's bring back just one more thing. So you can see the checklists, for example. How after you learn stuff, then you can, go through how to implement it all. Let's take a look at the workbook. So it asks you, some specific questions about things that you've learned, and then you can fill in the blanks so that you have a good sense of what it is that you're building. Each and every one of these profit planners comes with some form of what I've just shown you. And I highly, highly recommend that you make the investment. Grab the online course creation for profit planner right here. And then do take advantage of the upgrade to the entire vault, where you can get access If you do a one-time pay in full as opposed to the monthly or the annual, you get access to everything here, and it is well worth it. Everything that has been made in the past and will be made in the future. So that's it. I hope this has been helpful in understanding what's inside the profit planners, and I am very excited for you to grab these and implement what you learn in your business.